Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the NOCO Boost X GBX155 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, introducing Boost X, our all-new PX Lithium Jump Starter series. It delivers incredible starting power and maximum performance for the toughest starts. With ultra-fast USB Type-C charging and unmatched versatility, it redefines what a jump starter can do. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new experience. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the NOCO Boost X GBX155, battery clamps, microfiber storage bag, USB Type-C cable, user manual, product description, power LED, power button, reverse polarity error LED, cold LED, hot LED, error LED, internal battery lever, light mode button, boost LED, manual override button, fast charge LED. How to use. First, attach the clamps to the battery, red to positive, black to negative. Next, power on the unit. The charge LEDs will chase and the boost LED will illuminate, indicating that Boost X has detected the battery and is ready to jumpstart. Then start the vehicle within 60 seconds before the internal timer powers the unit off. Repeat if necessary. Once the vehicle is on power, off the unit and disconnect the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. First, locate the USB Type-C in and out port located on the side of the unit. Connect the provided USB Type-C cable into Boost X and plug the other end into a phone charger, 12-volt car adapter, USB car charger, or any other powered USB port. Once charging, the charged LEDs will slowly pulse. The fast charge LED will light up. When Boost X is connected to a fast charge compatible charger, the included USB cable is designed to be compatible with nearly all USB ports. However, it is limited to standard charging speeds. To take advantage of fast charge, you will need a compatible charger such as a USB Type-C laptop charger or the included GBC11 car charger. A full charge will take under 2 hours and 45 minutes. Using fast charge, a solid green LED will indicate the charge is complete. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.